If you want to know why your new $150,000 RV will require $30,000 in repairs within 3 years, do not ask the dealer. Ask a full-time RV technician who services broken motorhomes daily and documents systemic failures. Ask someone who purchased a new RV and discovered the construction quality is deliberately inferior. Ask a restoration specialist who rebuilds vintage RVs from the 1970s and understands what durability actually means. These professionals understand something that RV manufacturers desperately hide. Modern RVs are engineered disasters, not because builders lack competence, because profit maximization demands cutting every possible corner. Today, I am revealing why 90% of new RVs are garbage and why the industry deliberately manufactures vehicles designed to fail. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose RV industry deception and celebrate quality construction every single week. If you care about purchasing an RV that will last decades instead of requiring constant, expensive repairs, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the factory secrets destroying new RV quality. The RV industry collapse. 20 years ago, RV manufacturers competed on quality and durability. A motorhome built in 2000 using solid wood framing and quality materials was standard. Today, manufacturers use particle board, cheap plywood, and engineered materials. They substitute quality components for cheap alternatives at every stage. The result is vehicles designed to fail within 3 to 5 years, forcing expensive repairs or replacement. Manufacturers discovered that purchasers do not understand RV construction quality until years after purchase. By then, the warranty has expired. The purchaser faces $20,000 to $40,000 in repairs. The manufacturer has moved on. The profit from cost-cutting exceeds warranty obligations, so manufacturers optimized for maximum cost reduction, not durability. The water intrusion catastrophe. Modern RV construction uses particle board and plywood in walls, floors, and roof structures. These materials absorb water. Any roof leak causes rapid deterioration. The entire structure rots from inside. Mold develops. The frame becomes structurally unsound. Repairs require replacing entire walls and floor systems. The homeowner faces $15,000 to $25,000 in repairs. Vintage RVs from the 1970s use aluminum framing and solid wood construction. Water intrusion is minimal. Even if leaks occur, the structure does not rot. The vehicle remains structurally sound. Modern RVs fail systematically from water damage within 3 to 5 years. This is deliberate design. Manufacturers know particle board fails when exposed to moisture. The cheap appliance trap. Modern RVs use appliances designed for failure. The refrigerator is a cheap model that malfunctions in years. The stove is minimalist design, prone to damage. The water heater is undersized. The air conditioning is inadequate for the space. All components are chosen for cost reduction, not reliability. Vintage RVs contain quality appliances lasting indefinitely. The refrigerator functions perfectly. The stove is robust. The water heater is properly sized. The air conditioning performs reliably. The appliance choice reflects durability prioritization. Modern RVs prioritize cost reduction at the expense of reliability. The structural compromise. Modern RVs use lightweight aluminum frames with minimal bracing. The structure flexes excessively. The joints separate under stress. Door frames crack. Window frames warp. The vehicle develops squeaks and rattles. The structure becomes unstable. Repairs require rebracing entire sections. The cost exceeds $10,000. Vintage RVs use heavy-gauge steel framing with extensive bracing. The structure is rigid. The joints remain tight indefinitely. Doors and windows function perfectly. The vehicle is structurally sound. The frame choice determines durability. Modern RVs chose lightweight frames to reduce weight and manufacturing cost. The choice sacrifices longevity. The electrical system nightmare. Modern RVs use undersized electrical systems with cheap components. The wiring is minimum gauge, undersized for actual loads. The circuit breakers are cheap imports prone to failure. The outlets are minimum duty components degrading rapidly. An electrician inspecting new RV electrical systems documents systematic violations of construction standards. A proper RV electrical system should last indefinitely. New construction electrical systems fail within 5 years. Outlets become unresponsive. Circuits trip unexpectedly. Fires result from inadequate wiring. The homeowner faces $5,000 to $10,000 in electrical repairs. The manufacturer saved $1,500 using cheap materials. The plumbing system, disaster. Modern RVs use PEX plastic plumbing instead of copper pipes. PEX degrades under UV exposure and temperature cycling. The material becomes brittle and cracks. Leaks develop within 5 years. Water damage requires extensive repair and replacement. The homeowner faces $5,000 to $8,000. In repairs, vintage RVs use copper pipes lasting indefinitely. The pipes never fail. They never require replacement. Copper pipes cost 300% more than PEX. Manufacturers chose PEX deliberately knowing it will fail. They calculated the profit from replacement demand exceeds the material cost savings. The interior, degradation. Modern RV interiors use cheap laminate cabinets that swell from moisture exposure. Vinyl flooring peels and cracks. Wall coverings bubble and separate. The interior becomes shabby within 3 years. Replacement costs $8,000 to $15,000. Vintage RV interiors use wood cabinets and quality materials. The interior improves with age. The finishes last indefinitely. The aesthetic quality remains consistent. The material choices reflect durability, prioritization. Modern RVs chose cheap materials to reduce initial manufacturing cost. What RV technicians recommend? RV technicians refuse to purchase new RVs. They purchase vintage RVs from 1972, 1,985. These vehicles use quality construction. The systems are simple and repairable. The structures are durable. The vehicles have proven longevity. Technicians understand that new RV quality is deliberately compromised. They avoid the repair nightmare by purchasing proven vehicles. If you need an RV, purchase a vintage model from 1970 to 1985. These vehicles are mechanically simple and structurally sound. The systems have proven durability. The construction quality is documented. You avoid the systematic failures that new RVs guarantee. Do not purchase new construction RVs. Do not participate in the planned failure cycle. If you made it this far, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I expose RV industry deception every single week. Share this video with anyone considering RV purchase. Let us build a community rejecting manufactured garbage and demanding quality.